Don't miss this fantastic opportunity to purchase a Northern Indiana lakefront home loaded with amenities. Strawser Auction Group presents this home on Dallas Lake in LaGrange County, Indiana, selling at auction August 1st. Situated on a 50 by 120 lot on the south side of Dallas Lake, this property is about 3 miles northwest of Wolcottville at 0545 East 680 South. The 3-bedroom, 2-bath home has over 1,400 square feet of living space. The kitchen features oak cabinets with appliances, and other amenities include enclosed front porch, spacious deck, concrete patio, and 2-car attached garage, plus a 14 by 16 storage shed. The lakefront home has central air conditioning, natural gas forced air heat, plus a gas fireplace with oak mantle and bookcases. This lakefront home on a shallow sandy beach is complete with concrete sidewalk and seawall, as well as an aluminum pier. Be sure to preview this Dallas Lake oasis prior to auction and make plans to visit an open house. 2 dates are set: Saturday morning, July 11th from 10 till noon, and Saturday, July 18th, also 10 till noon. This home in LaGrange County, Indiana, on the south shore of Dallas Lake, will sell at auction Saturday morning, August 1st at 10 o'clock. Sale takes place off-site at the Strawser Auctions Dry Dock Storage Facility behind TireStar on the south side of Wolcottville at 106 East Dutch Street. Call Strawser Auction Group to find out more, 260-854-2859, or visit the website strawserauctions.com.